Welcome. In this video, you will see what's included in your refacing kit. For your convenience, each box is clearly labeled for each location. Before unboxing, check that you have received all of the boxes in your order. You can check this by comparing the number of boxes listed on your packing slip with the actual number of boxes you have received. To begin unboxing, cut each box open along the edges. Your new fronts are packed flat and each individual piece is labeled with all the information you entered on your order form. This helps you know where each piece goes. We also provide you with easy-to-follow instructions, as well as how-to videos that you can quickly access by scanning the QR codes. It's that easy.